Hey there, Robin at Homeschool Planet. Today we're going to look how to very quickly add an extra assignment to a class or a lesson plan that's already been applied to the calendar and has become a class. You're first going to find the subject or class you want to adjust and select it from the calendar. You'll get a pop-up box and you'll choose Edit. Next, you'll get a list. You should default open to the Assignments tab, but you do want to make sure that's where you are. Locate the date where you would like to add an additional assignment. I'm going to go to Tuesday, August 31st. I'm going to go to the More menu, and I'm going to pull down to add another assignment to this date. And then I'm going to enter complete the worksheet. And then I'm going to hit I'm good. When I'm finished, I'm going to hit Save and Close. And that is really all there is to it. You can do this as many times as you like. Obviously, if you're adding something to each day, you can use the advanced features or adding several new things. But just to add a single assignment or a couple assignments, this is a quick, easy way to do it. If you have any questions, as always, reach out. Let us know how we can help you. You can reach us at support@homeschoolplanet.com, or you can go to the Help menu and use the Contact Us button, which will take you straight to the Tickets menu where you can send us a question. Have a great day and let us know, again, how we can help you.